Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with a review of Poetic Revolution Case for the iPhone XR. So I recently reviewed this case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. I was a big fan of it. I really like the full 360-degree wraparound protection, the built-in screen protector. It's also very similar to the Guardian case, except instead of being clear on the backside, it has a stand that you can prop the phone up so you can watch your YouTube, your Hulu, your Netflix, all that good stuff, but it's still great security, polycarbonate shell, and the built-in screen protector, which keeps you from having to buy a separate one of those. Now, you can pick it up on Amazon. You can get it for $12.95. It comes in 3 different colors. It comes in black, it also comes in blue, and it comes in pink. So you get 3 different color options, which are pretty cool, and you can pick whichever one makes you happy to put on your phone. So I've got the case packaging right here, and one thing I wanted to point out, Poetic's cases have a 3-year warranty, which is pretty fantastic because most cases generally only offer a 12-month warranty. So instead of 1 year, you get a 3-year warranty with Poetic. So I've got the case here already disassembled. I'm going to install it, show you how to put it on, and then I'll take it back off so I can show you how that works as well, just because these can be a little tricky when it comes to installing and taking them off of the phone. So the first thing you're going to do, you've got the phone tray right here, which is what the phone goes into. It's got the built-in screen protector, which protects your screen, which is really nice. Take the phone, place it face down, and then you'll get the sides to lock into place. So you have to apply a little bit of pressure on the sides there. You'll know that it's right because you'll be able to see the power button in the little cutout there. And then you'll see the volume buttons in the cutout over here. So once you do that, you want to take it and place it. Apparently I've got this recording right now. Take this, put the bottom in first. Get the sides in there. So as you're putting the bottom in, you put pressure on the top. And then voila, we'll go ahead and press the sides all the way around to make sure everything seals up nicely. And if you don't want your phone to do crazy things like this when you're putting this case on, then turn it off. Alright, so everything seems to be in order. So like I said, 360-degree wraparound protection. When you want to take it off, there's a little notch here, and this goes with all of Poetic's cases. This is where you start the disassembly process, and I'll show you that here in a minute. So over here, you've got your volume buttons, of course, and your mute switch, which has a dust port covering it. You can get in there perfectly fine with any digit, except for your thumb. That one's kind of hard. If you've got a small thumb, it may work. Otherwise, not so much. And then the buttons are nice. They've got great clicky tactile feedback. Same thing with the power button over here. You've got the TPU bumpers. So you've got the reinforced bumpers. You've got the polycarbonate shell on the back, along with this kickstand. All you need to do is grab the tab. Ideally, grab the tab and it'll come down. There we go. So you get the tab, pull it down, it'll lock into place. You can set your phone up like that. Or if you want, and you're feeling adventurous, you can turn your phone on the side like that. So those are the 2 different options that you get. And then when you're done with it, locks right back into place. So easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now it's got the cutout here, it's recessed so it protects your camera and the LED flash on the back. And then it does have the raised edges all the way around the phone case, so it gives you extra protection if you place your phone down like this. Of course, it does have a screen protector on there, so that's one thing you don't need to worry about as much, is scratching it up, but you still want to be very wary about what you place your phone down on. Down the bottom, you've got cutouts for the speakers, and then you've got this dust cover for your lightning charging port as well. You can see it's not the most shallow thing in the world, so if you want to plug anything other than a lightning charging cable or the headphone cable, you might have some issues. So if you want a media adapter for your USB plug-in, that might be an issue. Otherwise, it's got great security. It's made of nice, hard TPU material, and then it's got the polycarbonate shell, which is what the back is made of back here, so it keeps your phone well protected and well secured. And then with the built-in screen protector, unlock it. You don't really have any loss of sensation. It works out perfectly fine whenever you're trying to scroll stuff. It works I haven't had any issues with it at all. So there's that. Now it does have like this little watermark look appearance under it sometimes that you'll catch. It doesn't interfere with the use of the phone. Really, you can't even hardly tell that it's there. I haven't had any problems with it, but whenever the screen is off, sometimes you'll notice that. And that's just because the screen protector doesn't adhere to the phone itself. So it just kind of floats on top of it. So you can see as you push down on it, you can make that spot larger. And then whenever you stop touching it for a while, it'll kind of come undone a little bit. But as you push and apply pressure, that's what you get. All right, so to take this apart, you find this little notch right here. And just push that corner off and follow it around and then push the other corner off. So once you get the whole bottom off, you can separate the two. Now we can take the phone out of the screen protector tray. And voila. Bob's your uncle, and your phone is out of the case. So in case you have any issues with it, you get it put on there. I remember the first time I installed one of these, I was like, holy heck, I can't figure out how to get it off, and had to go look at the instructions. And if you forget, Poetic is kind enough to include an installation guide that shows you how to do it. So that's about all I have for the iPhone XR case, the Revolution by Poetic. Now, one other thing is, I do want to mention it does work with wireless charging, so you don't have to worry about that. Works perfectly fine. And again, it has the 360-degree wraparound security, built-in screen protector, everything in a bag of chips for $12.95. So that's all I've got for today. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section, and I will always get back with you. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.